Building and places. Do you know what place this is? This is school. Do you recognize this place? This is post office. Do this place look familiar to you? This is hospital. Have you seen this place before? This is bank. Do you know what place this is? This is fire station. Do you recognize this place? This is supermarket. Do this place look familiar to you? This is department store. Have you seen this place before? This is restaurant. Do you know what place this is? This is hotel. Do you recognize this place? This is museum. Do this place look familiar to you? This is library. Have you seen this place before? This is movie theater. Do you know what place this is? This is factory. Do you recognize this place? This is police department. Do this place look familiar to you? This is city hall. Have you seen this place before? This is town hall. Do you know what place this is? This is prison. Do you recognize this place? This is mall. Do this place look familiar to you? This is church. Have you seen this place before? This is cathedral. Do you know what place this is? This is chapel. Do you recognize this place? This is mosque. Have you seen this place before? This is temple. Do you recognize this place? This is art gallery. Do this place look familiar to you? This is monument. Have you seen this place before? This is city. Do you know what place this is? This is town. Do this place look familiar to you? This is village. Have you seen this place before? This is port. Do you recognize this place? This is bus station. Do this place look familiar to you? This is bus terminal. Have you seen this place before? This is taxi stand. Do you know what place this is? This is subway station. Do you recognize this place? This is train station. Do this place look familiar to you? This is airport. Have you seen this place before? This is gas station. Do you know what place this is? This is zoo. Do this place look familiar to you? This is park. Have you seen this place before? This is aquarium. Do you know what place this is? This is amusement park. Do you recognize this place? This is concert hall. Do this place look familiar to you? This is circus. Have you seen this place before? This is travel agency. Do you know what place this is? This is coffee shop. Do you recognize this place? This is gym. Do this place look familiar to you? This is stadium. Have you seen this place before? This is college. Do you know what place this is? This is university. Do this place look familiar to you? This is laundromat. Have you seen this place before? This is auto repair shop. Do you know what place this is? This is parking lot. Do you recognize this place? This is bakery. Do this place look familiar to you? This is butcher shop. Have you seen this place before? This is pharmacy. Do you know what place this is? This is bookstore. Do you recognize this place? This is pet store. Do this place look familiar to you? This is hardware store. Have you seen this place before? This is electronics store. Do you know what place this is? This is clothing store. Do you recognize this place? This is shoe store. Do this place look familiar to you? This is toy store. Have you seen this place before? This is furniture store. Do you know what place this is? This is car wash. Do you recognize this place? This is hair salon. Do this place look familiar to you? This is nail salon. Have you seen this place before? This is spa. Do you know what place this is? This is dentist's office. Did you enjoy learning about these buildings and places? Explore more exciting videos on our channel and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!